Hi everyone, good to see you all. My name is Shruti Mittal and I have a total 14 years of working experience in the field of financial planning and analysis, budgeting, forecasting, cost optimization, and these kind of things with multiple industries like LG Electronics, Accenture, Nokia, Google. Currently I'm associated with Dobby's Garden Center in Edinburgh, Scotland. And here I lead the organizational annual budget and long-term financial projections and work closely with the senior management in making high-level decisions. So if I talk about my CIMA journey, to be honest, it was just a cakewalk for me just because of Prakash Saraf sir. I recently qualified CIMA in November 22 and I was introduced CIMA by him in just August 22. So I still don't believe that, okay, in just less than 4 months, I have cleared the CIMA. And even I'm not a very bright student. I'm a good student who loves to learn or study and enhance my knowledge, but I'm not an extraordinary student. So my first thing is, if I can clear it, you all can clear it. So there is always a need. Like if in my case, I have double masters and double bachelors. One master's is from UK, and also I have a CA final year first group and law degree. But there is always an ask of a global certification. Like if I talk about personally, if I go for an interview with 14 years of experience, but I am not a fully chartered accountant or any fully qualified accountant. And there is a other candidate who is a 5 years of experience with a global certification or CA like ACCA or CIMA certification, they will select them. So I always looking for a course which I can pursue along with my job with putting less efforts as compared to other courses, but with equivalent opportunities to advance my career. So CIMA has provided me that. So like Prakash sir always said to me and even to all my classmates that time, that you don't need to put your 8 hours in a day along with your studies. You just need to be consistent, like 2 hours a day. You just need to solve your mock exams, attend the live classes or recorded classes, and he is always very approachable. So I was very consistent. I started taking classes in September 22 and my exam was on 24th November 22. So during that 2 months I have cracked all the I have attempted all the mock exams, and he always provided all the honest feedback. Like initially I was not able to put my 100% efforts, but day by day when you started studying something, you actually started enjoying it. And one more thing, like there is no need to take any leaves to appear in the exam also, because if I talk about from the experienced professional, even if you are a full-time employee to an organization, you can't take leave for 1 month to attempt in an exam. So CIMA will provide you that opportunity because it is very connected to your day-to-day activity in strategy management, financial planning and analysis, larger project management. So CIMA has provided me to testify my expertise in larger strategy management, business process improvement, and it took it provided me to enhance my leadership skills also. So I would like to thank Prakash sir and entire Saraf Academy for that. Also, the way he taught and explained each and everything by taking practical examples, you can actually connect with your office jobs also. And one more thing, he is very approachable. So there is two things. Like one, if I talk about CIMA will provide you a global certification. But second, like my other is I don't remember the name, but yeah, I think Himanshu and Aditi said that if you are following the what Saraf sir is advising, it is very easy for you also. Like in my case, I have cleared CIMA in just 2 months, to be very honest. So it was for me. And yes, I have cracked one Big Four interview, and next week I'm going to take the offer letter. So of course, to advance my knowledge, apart from advancing my knowledge also, I have got the opportunity to enter in a Big Four, which was always been my dream. So CIMA will provide you that also. So thank you so much, Saraf sir and entire Saraf Academy, and also CIMA Institute, who um, who gave me this opportunity. And here is my little journey, because it's not very long journey, but yes, thank you so much.